Welcome to the Shadow Animal Quiz. Can you guess the animal just by its shadow? Let's find out. Don't forget to count your score and comment below. Let's play and have fun. Here comes the first one. This little creature has colorful wings and loves flying over flowers.
It's a butterfly.
Good job. Now, can you spot the butterfly shadow? Oops, that's not right. Not right. Try again. Yes, that's it. Butterflies taste with their feet to find sweet nectar. They start life as a caterpillar before turning into a butterfly. Here comes the next shadow. This big cat has stripes and lives in the jungle.
It's a tiger.
You got it right. Can you spot the tiger's shadow? Nope, that's not it. Not quite. Try again. Yes, that's it. Great job. Every tiger has a unique stripe pattern. They are the biggest cats and love swimming. Get ready for another shadow. This animal has big ears and a long trunk. Any idea what it is?
It's an elephant.
That's correct. Now, can you spot the elephant's shadow? Ugh, that's not right. Not right. Try again. Yes, that's it. Elephants use their trunks to eat, drink, and even shower. They are the largest land animals on Earth. Time for the next mystery, shadow. This tall animal has a super long neck and loves munching on leaves high in the trees. What is it?
It's a giraffe.
Great guess. Now, can you spot the giraffe's shadow? Oops, that's not the one. Not right. Try again. Yes, that's it. Giraffes can be up to 6 meters tall. That's taller than two grown-ups standing on each other's shoulders. Their long necks help them reach tasty leaves on tall trees. Let's go to the next shadow. This reptile has tough skin, sharp teeth, and loves to float in the water. What could it be?
It's a crocodile.
That's right. Can you spot the crocodile's shadow? Getting closer, but not quite. Try again. Yes, that's it. Crocodiles can stay underwater for over an hour and snap their jaws shut super fast. Let's swim into the next animal. This bird can't fly but loves sliding on ice.
Penguin.
That's right, good job. You're on fire. Can you spot the penguin's shadow? Good try, but let's try another. You got it. Penguins can't fly, but they swim super well. They stay warm by huddling together in cold places. Ready for another animal? This silly animal loves climbing trees and eating bananas.
It's a monkey.
Correct. Well done. Can you spot the monkey's shadow? That's not it. What about another one? One more try. Yes, you nailed it. Monkeys use their tails to swing from trees. They live in groups and are very smart and playful. Let's go next shadow challenge. This animal gallops fast, has a flowing mane, and people love to ride it. What do you think it is?
It's a horse.
Great guessing. Can you spot the horse's shadow? Yes, you matched it perfectly. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up, and they love running in herds. Wow, you guessed all the animals by their shadows. That was amazing. You're a real animal shadow expert. Thanks for playing with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back soon for more fun games. Bye for now.